Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and we're going to be having pork loin sandwiches this evening. Now, we've been showing you quite a bit of pork and stuff there, but like I said, whatever we happen to catch on sale, we was able to get this big hunk of meat here for $16.30, and we'll get several meals off of it. What I'm going to do this evening, I'm going to slice off a couple pieces about 1 inch thick, butterfly it, and then we're going to flatten it out a little bit more. Season it with just salt and pepper. Real simple. There we go. There's the pepper. I've got an egg wash made. It's got 2 eggs in it, just a little bit of milk. But what we'll do first, after we get them cut, we'll place them in flour. We'll put them in the egg wash, and then I'm actually going to put breadcrumbs on the outside. Now, here is your choices here. Cracker crumbs are real good, or you can use flour, or breadcrumbs. Real simple, real fast. We turned the deep fryer on. Just got back in. Shouldn't take us long. We'll be eating. And we're just going to have French fries with it today. And actually, I'm going to fry up a few more extra ones. Have them for work this week. Let's get started. Alrighty. Now, you can see I've cut it pretty thick. What we're going to do, we're going to cut that in half. Leave a little bit in the center. And then we're going to take our mallet. I don't even remember what I did with the mallet. Okay, it's over here. And we're just going to flatten it down. Now what we'll do now, I'm going to put it in flour. First off, I'll get all these flattened out. Then we'll get the flour out. We'll see in just a minute. Alrighty folks, I got them split out. I got them hammered down some there. Now, salt them liberally. And put whatever seasoning you like on there. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper also. Just go around all of them there. Alright, let's grab us up some pepper. And then what we'll do, we'll get our plate up here with the flour. We'll get them all floured up. Just try to save some dishes instead of having another cup. There goes my phone as usual. Because here in a little bit, we're going to be making a mess with other bowls here. We'll be making some cookies tonight. Maybe some fudge. We'll be showing you that later on this week. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to do is flour all these up. Just put whatever flour you want on there. It don't have to be seasoned. We've salt and peppered each side of these. And then we'll let this will actually help the last product, after we put the egg wash on and everything, it'll help everything stick better to the meat. Alrighty, we got those floured up. There's a little place there. We'll let them sit over here to the side. Now, I'll be moving this out of the way. We'll be getting rid of this flour, putting our breadcrumbs in there, and then we'll put them in our egg wash. Then we'll dip them in our breadcrumbs. In just a sec. Alright, now what I'm going to do, drop this down the egg wash here. Drain off what we can of it here. Place it down here in the breadcrumbs. Like I said, Cracker crumbs work good. Seasoned flour works good. Whatever you prefer. It'd been a little while since we had breadcrumbs, so that's why we're having this today. As big a hunks as these are, I had to take the little baskets out. We'll just be placing these down in there and getting them out. Alrighty, I just dropped it down in there, folks. We're going to shoot for 3 minutes. We'll see what we got. Alrighty, there's what it looks like, folks. We won't bore you. We'll get the rest of them fried up. We'll show you the pan when we get done. We cooked it at 3 minutes. For temperature over there, it's in between the 325 and 350. So halfway in between there. The only reason I did that so it wouldn't burn up the crust, the breadcrumbs. Alrighty, we'll get the rest of it fixed up here and we'll show you in just a second. Alrighty, now I'm going to have mine on a sandwich. Now folks, there is bun underneath the bottom of that there. I just put pickles and mustard on top. There you have it. Daniel over here on the other hand, he's going to have gravy on his and fries. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. We've done taste tested it there. It's good. Hope everybody has a blessed week. Lord willing, be seeing you maybe even Thursday with a candy recipe. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. God bless.